If you have an iron and toilet paper at home, then you will love today's homemade trick, since it is very simple and will save you a lot of time and money. If you are like most people, when you open a packaging of a product wrapped in plastic, look for a way to prevent it from being open, either by putting some hooks or making some knots. Let me tell you that this is not a good option, since you can leave some holes that allow insects to enter, or even between oxygen and damage food over time. But do not worry. With today's trick, you will avoid all those problems. Welcome to Jennifer's Recipe Book. I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications so that you are the first to receive our advice. I will also give you a second extra trick, which will also help you seal the plastics quickly and safely using only one spoon. For the first trick, what we will do is take a piece of toilet paper and fold it in this way. We place the open packaging on the paper as follows and fold a piece over it. Now we pass the hot iron for a few seconds. It is important that you do it carefully so that the plastic does not break due to the heat of the iron. Whenever we use the products, we usually leave them in half. If you are one of those who have small children, this will help them not to spill them and make a mess. I want you to let me know from which country you are watching me, so I can say hello at the end of the videos. If you need to have a machine, we leave the packaging as new. Just look at how well sealed they are. I will repeat the test with another packaging so you can see that it really works. This one has also been perfect, well sealed and ready to store. Now we go with the extra trick I promised you. This trick is faster than the previous one because we will only need one spoon. The first thing we will do is take the spoon and heat it on the stove. This is safe, since only the flat part of the spoon will be heated. Anyway, do this process carefully. Once heated, we quickly take the packaging and pass the hot spoon over the edge as I show you. You have to do it instantly so that the spoon does not cool. After this, you will see that it will be well sealed. Which of these two tricks did you think was the coolest? If you found them interesting, make them reach someone who could be of help. Today's special greeting is for Maybes Lee from Florida and for Lethia Walker from Texas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more special tips, subscribe to this channel. That's all for today's video. I say goodbye, wishing you the richest blessings.